what hurdles have we faced or have I faced with the company, and how do we overcome those hurdles? There's a million. I mean, every day there's something new to overcome. I will say this. I was talking to a trusted advisor and had a really rough week, and I went to his office and I said, I just can't wait till business runs smooth and everything goes as planned, and everything just starts running smooth. And he looked at me and he said, I've been doing this 50 years and I'm still waiting for that day. So that really helped put everything into perspective for me, to stop looking for the bright, glimmering, shining future where everything comes easy, and it really put my nose to the grindstone and made me realize that business isn't easy, and to do this every day you have to work at it. And when you let up is when ultimately your failure happens, because that's when that passion and that drive starts to wane. So for me, I think one of the biggest hurdles was the mental hurdle, just understanding that there is no free lunch, and that every day is a new day, and there's new challenges, and there's new hurdles to jump every single day. So, I don't think we've seen the most difficult times yet. I'm sure they are to come as we grow and we scale. But with the team that we have and the partners that we've put in place, I feel that we can overcome it.